Hi friends! Here are the supplies that we will be using today for our mason jar terrariums. So today we are going to be making our mason jar terrariums. So as you can see, I have my jar right here, followed by all of the supplies that we're going to be using today. So to begin, we add rocks to the bottom of the jar. This is a false bottom, so this way the roots don't rot from the water. Next, we are adding a layer of activated charcoal. This layer helps the plants breathe, but you want to make sure that the roots aren't in it. Once again, we're just leveling out that layer. Next, we're adding a layer of cactus soil. Cactus soil is a really good soil for a closed terrarium. You don't need to add too much soil because as you're adding the plants, you'll also be adding more soil around them as well. Make sure you're giving your plants enough room to grow, so you don't want to shove too many in. Now, terrariums can have anywhere from just one plant to a few, so feel free to play around. Usually a closed terrarium though has tropical plants, so you'll see on the instructions that there is a list of different tropical plants. Now I'm putting some moss in there just to give it a little bit different texture. Now, I actually left space for a few little fun things that I got, so of course I feel like a lot of them are a little bit big, but I'm gonna put this little thing right, and then I actually have a little dinosaur here that I'm gonna throw in as well, kind of bring it all together. Alright, so the last stage before we close it is to put water in it. We want to do quite a bit because the idea is that it's going to do a whole cycle inside there. If you feel like you've overwatered it or underwatered it, you can always take the lid off. If it's overwatered, just take the lid off for a day and enough water should evaporate. If you've underwatered it, same thing. Take the lid off, add some more water. Now, I'm gonna put the lid on. Be sure to keep this out of direct sunlight. But yeah, now you have your terrarium. And the water should either go down. Otherwise, if I get too annoyed, you can always clean the inside surface. But of course, you want to make sure that you're leaving enough water in there. So now every few months you'll probably want to check on this guy, make sure that you don't need to clean the surface of any growth or anything, and there's plenty of videos on YouTube that explain that as well. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Thank you.